Hello DIY Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's video is 3 glam DIYs using mirror tiles and diamond rhinestones. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright Glamettes, let's get this DIY project started. This is a Dollar Tree DIY. I'm using these Dollar Tree Hurricanes, these Dollar Tree stemless wine glasses, this Krylon aqua turquoise paint. My mirror mosaic tile is actually from bbcraft.com. I'm dropping BB Craft information in my description box along with the items used for these DIYs as well. Now we're going to just glue these pieces together, you guys, and I do need you to follow me along as we create these fabulous, awesome, glamorous DIYs. And if this is your first time tuning in, welcome, welcome, welcome. Now you may be wondering, what is it that you do get here on the Glam Queen of DIY? I am so glad you asked. On here, you'll get a lot of glam DIYs, Dollar Tree budget friendly, cost affordable. I love featuring mirror mosaic tile, diamond rhinestone, crushed diamond epoxy, anything to glam up some accessories. You will see it featured here. I am the queen of unconventional and over-the-top DIYs. I also do a little bit of home renovations that is budget friendly as well. Now if all of that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you become part of the family. And also, if you know anyone that this content will be good for them, please share the channel with them as well. And also too, I am including all of our channel links down in that description box. Please don't never forget to always check out my description box. It is loaded with lots of good information that is actually useful to you. You will see all of my affiliate links always in that description box. And if you ever use any of our affiliate links, it does not cost you anything extra. You'll just receive a discount on ordering through my affiliate links, and I'll receive a small commission. So please make sure you check out that links. And too, family, if you're like me for this early part of this 2022 year, I am trying to be more health conscious, getting my body into the best form of itself. I do have a goalie link. If you're on a healthy journey this year, make sure you check out goalie as well. Click that link. And to you guys, as we bring this DIY to a close, drop me a comment which one was your favorite. And as always, I'm so glad that you was able to gather inspiration from this project here. Don't forget to make sure you check out all of the Glam Queen brands, which is Glam Queen of DIY, the Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen Unboxing, Glam Queen Vlogs, and Fit for a Queen. Now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.